As the sun rises over the ridge, here you will find Spirit Bear Ranch, the masterpiece of the American Southwest. Entering through your hand-forged metal gate, you enter freedom. Where time slows, the wild still reigns, and yet the conveniences of town remain just minutes away. And irrigation flows into your pastures and private pond stocked with fish. A swim dock, a fire pit, and the main home overlooks it all. Enjoy casting your flies or your bobber here, and enjoy the wildlife that calls this haven home. Over 1 mile of river runs through this property like a lifeline. This estate boasts 420 acres that borders BLM and another massive ranch to the north, harnessing your privacy. The rugged hay barn keeps bales of hay safe, has an automatic waterer and power, or great for expansion of an equine facility. The lower portion of the legacy property has ample irrigation rights, and the paved road leads you to the main residence masterpiece designed by Dean Brookie and built by Hawkeye Builders. The babbling creek passing underneath the primary wing walkway, and the meticulous landscaping is something that deserves its own award. Inside, it's like stepping into a design magazine and being sold furnished. With a 2-story fireplace with real stone and a wall of windows being the key focal points. The open yet defined kitchen, living, and dining space blend perfectly. And over 1,000 feet of outdoor space, including kitchen and entertainment. Area is heated and has a real wood fireplace, perfect for enjoying time outside. The primary wing features 2 bedrooms, with the primary having a spacious spa-like bathroom with large shower, clawfoot soaking tub, fireplace, and huge closet. And hot tub that is covered out the door. The sunroom can be opened up by either bedroom, to be enjoyed or completely closed off. This is functional and flexible. The second bedroom is fully ensuite and spacious on this side of the home. Downstairs is the place to be with a gym, patio, movie theater, and 2 more suited bedrooms with private walkouts. Every part of this main home is thoughtfully designed, and upstairs are the best views in the house. The suited office with its own walkout bunk room. And then enjoy hiding away in the secret library. This is such a great and fun space for children and adults alike. Above the property is the rugged but accessible meadows, and is the migratory pattern for many animals naturally drawn the naturally fed ponds. The shop has space for all your equipment, and the guest home is perfect for multifamily guests or a caretaker. Enjoy the fertile land here with your own greenhouse and garden beds. Fall in love with Spirit Bear Ranch and secure your legacy today.